I'll show you the best free Discord bot for managing community. I'm gonna show you three good ones. First off is Me6. This is a very popular bot back in the days, but now it has kind of fallen off in its glory day, but it's still pretty good. So Me6 is advertised as an all-in-one bot for Discord. It is free, but there is of course premium now. So you can pay if you'd like. So there's a lifetime for around 44 bucks. I don't really recommend you buying it because there's a lot of other free alternative, and Me6 in itself is actually free, but there is premium features as well. So if you want to pay, you can, but I don't recommend you doing that. You can see there's a lot of features here. The second one I do recommend is called Bot Dashboard. If you're around Discord server a lot, you'll see this one a lot as well. So in here, it has reaction rules. This is one of the most popular one. So if you react to any of these role or any of these reaction, you'll get a custom role, right? You can also do log everything, powerful moderation, crawl gaming, and granular permission system as well. Pretty good. Now, the last one I'm going to show you is called Dino. Now, on Dino, again, this is free. It's all free, right? But there is a free or paid option, right? So if you want to add to server, this is all pretty similar to Me6 or Cloud Dashboard. It does everything automatically. Add to server. If you want to add to server, you can see there are people in the something like this. So you'll see that you'll have to pay, but you just have to scroll down and you can see free for everyone as well. So there's a free tier. Add to server. If you want to add to server, you'll see you'll be put into a website that looks like this. And then you can just authorize it. Like see, I also already have Tidal in my server, and this is what it will look like right here.